These are this is lovely maintained garden as well. Lovely bit of gardening. Nothing on Kieran's gardening, bro. Boys, check out Kieran's garden. Check it. So he's got the plantation there.
That's
got some more. That's your veg and carrots. What you got along here?
They're raspberries. That's a rose. They're raspberries.
All self-made as well. Come on, Kieran. We ain't messing about.
Blueberries.
And is that a little greenhouse, if I'm not mistaken?
Greenhouse.
Yeah, a little greenhouse going on. Yeah. Beautifully chopped grass. Some toys for little man.
Shout out Noah.
But boys, you're probably wondering why we're standing on the street corner. We were mid-recording. We've got a customer coming. I've got the key. I've even got the new keeper slip on me, yeah? And where we need to be is about 20 minutes away. He said he's coming now, so now... I do apologise, Kieran, for my lack of punctuality. This is long.
I'm always like 3 minutes just on time to work.
You know what the problem is with these bastards, Kieran, yeah? Boys, I'll give you a bit of context. I wasn't even going to record this, but I thought I ain't doing this for free, yeah? You be chilling all day, genuinely, itching your bollocks the whole day. But the second you leave the house, this is the first time I've left the house today, yeah? Obviously, I've been to the shop, whatnot, but yeah, I'm talking out a 10-minute radius. This is the first time I've left the house, and now, suddenly, customer wants to come now. And he's been putting me off all day, you know what I mean? The whole day he's been on about it, yeah?
It's always the way, even with other sort of customers, if you know what I mean.
This is for, like, my guy Steve, or whatever his name is. I don't want to mess around with him.
Nah, it's not for you.
Boys, this is another high blood pressure special. What's the fastest way back? It is this, innit?
We came that way, innit?
Oh, this is the problem of having camera on your head. You can't even take the mick with you driving. You saw how we came down here, innit?
You know what you could do?
Oh.
Like edit it to make it a solid white line.
Oh, slow motion. I think that's propaganda though. What do you mean driving 30 miles an hour is going to get me there quicker than 100? What you on about, mate?
Depends how quickly you go around corners, innit?
Yeah, I know, but no, we'll keep it steppy. We won't take the piss, but we are... I hate people. You know another thing I hate? Customers who don't tell me when they're coming. They just say they're coming and then they just turn up. Like, you can say, oh, I'm not going to show up because you're not being punctual, but then the other side of me is, this is going to feed the family this week. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I don't like being too, you know what I mean? I bite my tongue often.
But sometimes you got to put your foot down.
Sometimes you got to put your foot down. But
you know what I mean?
No, but it's not like I just want the money in it.
That's it.
I don't care about him. If he's going to be impunctual about it, I don't care. But right now, I think it's definitely worth getting there and sorting this customer out and selling this car. The car's been sat there for like a week as well now. I just want it gone.
Gathering dust.
Oh, move, mate.
Oh. I love the sound when it drops a gear.
No, I don't give a shit about the sound right now, Kieran, bro. I'll be honest.
Yeah, you're making money. I'm just enjoying the ride.
Stop that. Shut up, bro. What are you even doing here? You ain't got. What are you gonna do when we pull up? Do you reckon we'll even make it? First and foremost, you've got lucky bones.
Right, it depends. Depends how long he wants to wait for, innit?
No, he'll stick around for about 5 minutes.
Well, yeah.
I'll get my mate to tell him, look at these potholes here, bro. I'll get my mate to tell him, yo, look, my guy's coming in 2 minutes. He's got the key. You can check the bodywork, innit?
Make sure it starts. Make sure there's no lights on it.
We're far, you know.
Is it?
Yeah. We ain't even close.
Some nice gas around here though.
Shut up, man. I don't care.
You always lived in Knox, or you grew up
Yeah, I moved out to London for a bit. Car's already showing up error codes, mate. I've barely even put my foot down.
Nah, you got
we ain't gonna get around this, are we? Come on, mate. We've got 1.2 Polo TSI to shop, man. This is a situation, Kieran. Why is he chilling in the middle? He's one of them lot. You know when you can just tell he doesn't want anyone to overtake him. Yeah. He wants everyone to follow his lead.
I got a small little decks in it, you know.
What music?
FL4s.
Nah.
The DJs.
I never went above FL Studio, me, bro.
Oh, is it? See, I've not got FL Studio yet. I just do mixes and that.
Choose quicker, left or right? Right, innit?
Yeah, right.
This is Twat Village, mate.
See, this is why I'm not too clued up on that sort of shit, innit?
Yo, whack the in manual, bro.
Bro, she hugs around corners, man.
Yeah, it's good handling car.
I thought it was the other guy.
He wants to drive in the middle,
It is a pheasant. It's like a mixture of a chicken and a peacock.
Bro, I'm out here about to lose six bills and you're on about chicken and peacock.
Nah, you gotta keep it calm, innit? You gotta keep you calm under pressure.
Help me breathe, bro. Help me breathe. Help me breathe.
In, out.
I was working, you know. No.
I'll check the sunset as well while you're doing that. Not on the bend, don't do that. joys of being I used to be a passenger princess with my boy, and he used to drive everywhere.
Why? What was you on a driving ban?
Nah, well, he got on a driving ban eventually, but I weren't driving at the time, innit? And he was, because he'd passed his test as a teenager.
You know what? Keep talking, because it's actually like...
Because you just get to see the scenery, innit? While you drive, you just got to look ahead. Not dead ahead, because then you won't see what's ahead.
Oh my god, my phone's vibrating.
Oh, is he ringing?
Yeah.
No, you're not connected to the Bluetooth. So
Nah, leave him. I know what he's saying. He's here. He doesn't ring me. He's gonna use it. Oh, bro, we're still on the B roads and he's here. No shot. This is not good, bro. We're not even 5 minutes away.
Miss a sale?
No, I'm not. Like I'm saying right now, it feels like an F1 car, yeah, when you're driving it for fun.
Yeah.
But as soon as you're not, why are you crying for? 30 and he starts here, mate. You know what I'm saying?
He did have a face on him, didn't he?
His face isn't gonna quiet down the car. What are you on about, mate? Well, that's not my fault, bro. The car squeals over nothing. Sensitive LGBTQ car, bro. Just starts crying and throwing a hissy fit, bro. I'm gonna move my foot this much. So what do you want me to do, bro? Wait. Chill out, bro. You don't need to approach a junction that fast. What would you do if you're going to view a car and the guy's just not there?
Be pretty pissed. Can't lie.
People have done it to me though when I've gone to view a car. They've always said like 10 minutes. I don't like. Obviously, I hate being that guy. I hate it.
You gotta
It's partially this guy's fault for just coming out of nowhere.
Yeah, not giving you no preparation.
Yeah, he gave me no preparation. He told me he's coming today. I told him I'm ready all day, but look at the time, bro. It's 8:30. The day's gone, innit? Like, I can't even transfer logbook after 7. I think that's rude. I honestly think that's just rude, bro. Give me like a rough ETA, innit?
Yeah,
you know when I said I'm free all day, I thought he'd like have the decency to drop me a message, yo, coming in a bit, on my way. This guy, on the other hand, he's got his own plans. But it's fine, he's gonna have to wait.
Living life in luxury, you.
Come on, bro. Not right now, though.
You will be when you make the sale.
Okay, I will. No, I like you. Positive mindset.
Always, bro. Positivity. You gotta manifest.
No, but I'm not being negative. It's just, you know what I mean, innit?
Nah,
I don't like.
Pessimistic, innit? You're being pessimistic, bro.
30 miles an hour is a stretch, innit, bro? Bro, you got the glasses on now, coming like a co-pilot.
Apparently, blue eyes receive more light.
They would do, innit? They ain't tinted.
They ain't tinted.
Yeah, mine's got tints on it, bro. So I'm obviously what's it called? HGV.
HGV.
That's what. No, nah, bro. You know what? What's it called when you put sun cream on? What are you preventing? Or what would people check on the weather app? What do you check on the weather app? UV, not HGV. Protected. UV protected. That's the one. Yeah, I'm UV. UV protected. Yeah. I mean, I saw that and I thought, yeah, this guy's gonna put his foot down. Why is he putting his foot down now?
Sounded alright, didn't it?
Oh, and the sun's in my eyes and the TT's and there's a cyclist as well, bro.
Yeah.
This is a mission. It's got more torque. It's got way more torque. It's definitely quicker than a Golf GTI stock Mark 7 6-speed manual. Yeah.
And it's cheaper.
Yeah, exactly. No, but it's definitely quicker. I think that's common knowledge.
Nah. GTI's got the faster 0 to 60 in it. I think the.
I can't lie, bro. I ain't got time today. You should be a therapist, innit? That's what it's called.
Do you know, I always wanted to be a therapist, but I used to always chat to people in high school and that. I was like, oh, maybe I could do it because I'm always like giving people advice and that, but I just never got into it really. I always like the outdoors more.
Can't you do a bit of both? Dabble in a bit of both?
Maybe.
This is a nice car.
It's nice, isn't it?
It does everything you need it to do.
100%. And it's not too stupid where you're going to kill yourself.
Yeah, exactly. Who's actually doing 50 here? How much are we going to beg this Prime Minister, bro? Nah, I'm driving with full care and attention. He's going to wait for me. Job done. Let it off.
I know you are, but like, you know what I mean? It could be perceived that way.
Range 165, but average MPG is 34 and we've just driven like that. This is a good day. This is actually a good car. It's doing 90 MPG right now, between 70 and 90 round here. Whack it on the motorway, no problems whatsoever. So in 2,000 miles, the average MPG is 34.
Yeah.
Ras.
It's good that, innit?
This might even still be cheaper than a petrol. Minus the maintenance on a diesel.
Yeah, a bit more spenny on the maintenance, innit?
Oh, come on, you lot, bro. It's not gonna get greener than that.
Because it was like...
Sorry about that.
I didn't expect
Oh,
it.
fucking hole in the floor just for the one day.
I'm gonna fall in that.
Back it in here. Car's up there.
Shut the Prius.
Wait, let me put this in. I just don't want to get the car on video. Where's he at? The Prius might even be the customers, you know. Bastard. He's gone. Oh, I reckon he was a tyre kicker anyway, innit? If he was gonna come and do that and he didn't even turn on, well, he didn't even wait around for me, then he's a tyre kicker. He was never gonna buy it, the bastard.
Yeah, he's trying to pull your leg and get his deal on it.
But maybe,
You
know what it is? It's because no one's come and viewed that thing, innit? I've been trying so long to shot it. One person viewed it, didn't buy.
What's this?
Little memorial, war memorial.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Shout out to them, honestly. Even though the whole country's riddled with immigrants now, but they did their bit, innit?
Yeah, innit? See, it's mad because like your sort of parents and that were the good type of immigrants. You know what I mean? I can tell by the type of person you are, bro. 100%. Like you're a British guy, 100 through and through, no matter. Like,
oh, thank you, bro. It means a lot. I believe heavily in following the law, not being antisocial.
Yeah, bro. That's what.
You're half Indian.
Not half Indian,
but like a bit of Indian.
Yeah, like not like. If it was me great grandma, I'd be an 8th Indian, but I think it was me great grandma's great grandma.
So you might be eligible for the new phone. Or you might get a quarter of the room in travel lodge. Let the car chill out a bit. I bet you can find your way about a computer as well. Sometimes, yeah, I do think. Do you think it's easier to have a 9 to 5? Like, I know that's just like exchanging all your time for money, but right here, right now, it's just less hassle to... Bro, I would have clocked in at 9 today, come out at 5. Yeah, sure, I've been half asleep, but I'd go home, sleep, and I wouldn't think about nothing. The only thing I'd think about is how I hide from my missus that I'm shagging the co-worker. That's all they think about, innit? That's all there really is. Obviously, I've not really had a 9 to 5, so I can't really talk about it too much. This is just from mates. Today, for example, deep how much blood pressure we've just gone through. Customers just gone, like, because you just couldn't be asked. Simple as that.
Won't even think twice about it.
I don't know, that's just sometimes how I feel. Like, we do all this hustling, yeah, fair enough, you get a bit of money, but so do people from it. At least they get a guaranteed paycheck. Mine's a bit, or how much you make a month. I don't know. What if everyone just blocks me tomorrow? Then I'll be making £0 because there's no customer.
Literally. It's one of them, it's hit and miss, isn't it?
I have to hit job centre, bro.
My mates didn't like the job, but they can hack just sitting at a desk and just like chatting nonsense to people on the phone. If you can got the gift of the gab, then do it, innit? It's a nice, easy, just cushy job because most of the time you're doing fuck all.
Yeah, but what about you? Because you're more similar to me. I couldn't even sit still in school.
Well, there you go. Then you won't like it.
So it's not for me.
No, it's not for you, bro. That's why I'm outside. I work on a golf course. You know what I mean? Bro, I rag about buggies.
I love
bro.
you don't care,
Red. Bro, my buggies in rear wheel drive.
What, you send in the John Deeres, bro?
In the John Deeres.
We've got to do elbow delete in the John Deere then, innit?